guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? In yesterday's video, I have introduced a new indicator, which is the HL band. So for today, I'm just gonna enhance that strategy a little bit and then get into more detail on how this strategy works and some points that you need to keep in mind with when you use this strategy. So first let me set up the indicators first, and then I will explain it to you the enhanced strategy. So okay, now we will go to technical indicator. Okay, yep, go to technical indicator. Yep, just click on that. So the additional indicator we're gonna use is actually the simple moving average. So put a tick there. So now we'll open the drop down for simple moving average. Okay, so now we'll be only using one simple moving average. So we'll deselect SMA1 and SMA2. And now after we get this down, we'll go to the parameter to change the parameter setting. So yep, parameter. And then we will change SMA3 to 100. So again, SMA3 we will change it to 100. So yep, that's the simple moving average, and we are done for it. And then now we select the HL band. That's the main indicator that we're gonna use. So next we'll the HL band setting is on default, so nothing changed for that. So next we'll go to oscillator. Yep, go to oscillator, and then we'll select the MACD. That's the third indicator we're gonna use. Put a tick on MACD. Okay, so now we open the drop down and change the parameter. So for MACD's parameter, we're using a 5, 35, and 5 parameter. So again, EMA1 is 5, EMA2 is 35, and signal is 5. So okay, so yep, we are all done with the indicators. So now we can close this technical indicators window. So yep, just close that. Okay. Okay. So the last thing we making sure here is the chart period and option periods. So for today, I changed the chart period to 1 minute, and then I will be trading with a 3 minutes option in regards to a 1 minute chart. So okay, so now it's all set, and then we are okay. We are all good to go. So the reason I add in this the simple moving average into this strategy is that yesterday while I trade, I figured out it was a bit difficult to identify a trend direction by only using the HL band, and then that's why I put a simple moving average there to help me to see the trend direction better and clearer. So that's why I put that simple moving average there, and now the trend direction is actually really clear. So let me place a trade first, and then I will explain it to you. So yep, I placed a low option there. So how do I do it? So first, to base from yesterday's explanation. So first, this is a trend following strategy. So first, we will confirm that the trend, the market is in a trend market. So I will be looking at the yellow simple moving average. So now the yellow simple moving average is above the candlestick and is heading downwards. So now I know that the price is in a downtrend. So during a downtrend, we will only be looking for timing to open a low option. So how do we look for timing to open a low option? So all we pay attention to is the middle band, the red one. So so when the price is approaching to the red line, the middle band, and then if it gets close enough to the red line, I will be moved on to the MACD. And then if the MACD crossover, and then because I'm aiming for a low option, so I'm looking for a bearish signal from the MACD. So I need these two lines in MACD to cross over, and it gives me a purple histogram, and that is a bearish indication that I'm looking for. So after I get the confirmation from the MACD, then I will open a trade, and that's what I did there. So just a reminder that the term I use, approach, is different with engage or touch, because for approach, you don't actually need the price candlestick to touch with the middle band. as long as it gets close enough to the middle band, then you can aim for you can open trades by following the trend direction. So in here is a downtrend, so I opened a low option in regards to the trend direction. So okay, so well, I still have quite a lot of time left here, so I will just fast forward a bit and then jump straight to the result. Okay, so well, that's a clear win. So the trade is now finished, and I make $75 profits. So now I will change the currency pairs, and then yeah, okay, so that's not bad. So once I change to the other currency pair, it just gives me another downtrend. So now I see that the yellow simple moving average is on top of the candlestick and is heading downwards. So now I see that the price is in a downtrend. So all I'm looking for here, and we see now the candlestick is actually approaching or even touching with the middle band, the red line. So all I'm looking for here is the crossover of the MACD and gives me a purple histogram. So well, I'm guessing it's almost there. So yep, there we go. Yep, there we go. You see the purple histogram comes out. So that's the last bearish indication I need from the MACD. So that's why I opened that trade there. So yep, just to remember that to always follow trend direction when using this strategy. So you don't open high option when you are in a downtrend, or you don't open low option when you are in a uptrend. So another thing I want to talk about is how you can improve your strategies by yourself. So as you see here, I added in the simple moving average here because I feel that it's hard to identify trend direction by using HR band, and then that's why I add in the simple moving average in regards to my needs. And I add in what is necessary. I don't just add in whatever. So some of you might be adding in too much indicator without a purpose, and that will only have a opposite result, and sometimes it might even confuse you on what option you need to go after. So always remember, when you try to add in additional indicators, add in indicators regards to the needs. You don't add in indicator randomly. So so if you want to identify trend direction, add in something that helps you to identify trend direction. And or if you want to identify a retracement point, then you add in something that helps you to find a retracement. So don't add in indicator randomly. So okay, so now the trade is finished, and well, it's in profit as well. So I'm just gonna take a look at the result, and I've known the result already, just to show you. So okay, so well, 2 trades today, and both of them were ended in profit. So well, from yesterday's session and today's session, the comparison, I personally think that this option might be better to use in a 1 minute chart to trade with 3 minutes option period, because the price movement in the 1 minute chart is much more stable than the 10 seconds chart. So give it a try. Try out this strategy with the simple moving average in a 1 minute chart. And if you do have any questions, just put a comment down there, and then I can get back to you with an answer. So well, that's pretty much it for today. And well, if you have any other question on any other strategy or indicator, just feel free to ask me as well, and then well, I can always come back to you. So yep, that's pretty much it for today. And if you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video, and I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye.